So in greens, it's incredibly important to get them inside the wash station and then cooled down and cleaned as soon as possible. So normally that's bringing them in in crates, and then they're going to go into a bubble washer or a dunk tank and get swirled around and sit for 60 to 90 seconds to start cooling them down. Then we're going to pull them out of there and stick them in a spinner. And so we're going to spin those greens dry. And a key part of shelf life on a green is that it's going to sit and dry. And a key shelf life part on greens is that it goes ahead and gets spun very dry. You'll extend your shelf life from a week to 2 weeks, even 3 weeks sometimes if they're super dry. So some people actually prefer to use a screen table and actually dry things on a screen table. But I feel that just with a good wash, I feel with just a good dryer, that does a really good job, and you'll still get 2 to 3 weeks of shelf life.